Good morning. So I'm going to do a unboxing even. There we go. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Woolly Goodness Valentine's box, which I'm very excited to see. There we go. Now, hopefully, this is so far past Valentine's that this is not going to be a spoiler for you. So that's Jenny's card. That's the treat box info. Here we go. Loving the red ribbon, very on brand for Valentine's Day. So it's Wednesday the 19th, so hopefully this is well and truly not a spoiler. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Lovely hearts application. And then there's little heart confetti in it. So we'll just start opening bits. And first up, we've got, oh, that's cute, little heart-shaped dish and some progress keepers. So we've got, oh, I love that. Oh, so it's on a heart-shaped key ring, look. Oh, isn't that lovely? And we've got beautiful rose, or possibly tulip. I'm going with rose, it's Valentine's Day. A heart. A ladybird, which obviously I was at guiding. Another heart, that's beautiful. That's a crystal one. And a Be Mine. Oh, I love those. They can go on my cozy memory blanket. And then we've got lots and lots of little petals. Ooh, some chocolate yummies. Look at those. I might share them with my office this week. Each time somebody comes through the door, they can have a chocolate heart. Kind of cool. I wonder who will suss it out first and come in for extras. So that's going to be the yarn. Oh, so what have we got here? What's this one? Ah, Love Hearts. I can see through. Love Hearts cracker. I always keep all the ribbon as well. You're amazed how much use I get out of the ribbons from Jenny's boxes. I'm fairly certain if you've had a package from me at all, it's probably been wrapped in Jenny's ribbon. Yes, look, Love Hearts. Maybe I'll give those to Ian each time he comes in. Actually, he'll be sad to miss out on the chocolate. Oh, look, there's another little package here. Oh, wow. Okay. I love these boxes so much. Ooh. Oh, look. They're ladybird stitch stoppers. Needle stoppers. Oh, I love those. I will be using those today. And then we've got yarn and a bag. I'm going to open the bag first. I'm going to have hearts. Paper hearts all over my desk, aren't I? Oh dear. This is so cute. Sorry for the rustling, but you can't really do an unboxing without rustling. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Oh, I love this. It's got a pocket inside, look. So it's got a box bottom. It's a perfect little sock bag, that. Oh, that's lovely. I really like that. And last but not least, the yarn. Oh wow. Oh, that's stunning. Oh, look at that. And of course, being me, it's sparkle. And it really sparkles. Look at the sparkle on that. Candy hearts. Oh, I love it. That's beautiful, Jenny. Really love it. I did buy this. It's not gifted. This is a purchase. I love Jenny's boxes. Ooh. Well, that's exciting. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm just going to put all that back in here temporarily. So I can move this. Actually, I might just use the top. So we've got the bag, the yarn, some chocolate hearts, some love hearts, a little tray with some progress keepers, and the needle stoppers. How lovely is that? Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and yeah, go check out Jenny's store. I don't know what her next box is. Easter box maybe? Spring box? Both? Who knows? I haven't spoken to Jenny. Sorry, Jenny, I've probably put you on the spot there, but I'm sure there'll be another one before too long. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. As you can hear, my voice is still not good, so doing an entire podcast at the moment is not going to be easy. That said, I really want to record tomorrow, so let's see. Fingers crossed. I will talk to you soon.